Right, what's up people? Welcome back to the channel, Chronicles of Mr. Fish, with me, Mr. Fish in a hazizzle. I'm on my last ride on the bike. I'm taking the bike to be part exchange. I am going to the shop to pick up my new ride. That's right, this is the last time you will see this bike with me sitting on it. Someone's going to buy it and they're going to be very, very happy with it. But for me, I'm getting my new bike. This is the beginning of the reveal video. I was going to film it later in the week, but the sun's out, the sky's blue, so I figured I'm going to film it now. So I'm going to do the best I can with the cameras I've got. Obviously, I need to find a decent location, and I'm not going to ride around with you guys looking for that location, so I should use the magic of my hand and transport us there now. That's better. Transported to a bit of a better location there. This is Epsom Downs Racecourse. A lovely day, so I thought I'd do the reveal video today. As you do. I haven't got all the cameras in the world to do it, so I've used my phone, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but you get the drift. And here she is, the Yamaha MT-07 Tracer. This is the one I went for in the end, in candy red, and it basically ticked all the boxes I needed for a bike without being too expensive. And that's the great thing about it. Of all the bikes I rode, this one stuck out as the one for me for everything I need, and it wasn't the most expensive. When I started this, I was going to call it a journey then. It's not a journey, I'm buying a fucking bike. When I started out looking at bikes, I started in the higher end. This was on the radar, but until I test rode it, it was just a commuter bike. But I test rode it and I thought, that engine is a peach. I fell in love with that engine. That's why I had to get the Akropovich exhaust on it. The baffle's yet to come out. That will happen when I get home. I've just picked it up. I've also got a 12 volt charger on it and heated grips, and they've got the frame sliders on. Forgot about those. They're a must, especially the way I ride and fall off. But there she is, the MT-07 Tracer. I hope I didn't disappoint anyone. If I did, I don't really care, because I love the thing. And the new videos are going to be on this.